chicken a lot, cause you living la vida loca. All this ice make my neck hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Anna. Okay, so we're going to the mall. We're going to the mall, and then tell us the plans. We're going to the mall right now. And after the mall, we're gonna go to Deborah's house, and we're gonna like a sleepover, and then that today we're gonna do a Q&A, but that's gonna be in another video. Yes, because we need more videos up. Yeah. And we're gonna like pull up to the mall right now. It's like so, but we're gonna vlog it right there. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but whatever. But we're gonna vlog it. Yeah, so we're gonna vlog it. Yeah, and then we'll show you guys our fits. Yeah, so our fits. Okay, bye. We'll see you guys. Okay, we're back. Thank you. Oh, I have nothing. Okay. Wait. So, what we talked about? Do you know that girl? Her name's Ivy. Who? Ivy? Ivy. Shut up. David, why are you holding it? Hey guys, we're vlogging. There's the fam in the back. Say hi, guys.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
No, we're cutting that part out.
No, I'm not gonna give you.
Okay, yes, give a shout out. Yeah, I'll put it in. Her thing is Audrina's World. You're gonna get like 1 subscriber. Because we're gonna have like 30. Mom, I want a Bath and Body Works. Look for a freshener.
Oh, Ron's there.
Can you hold it? Why? Are you embarrassed? Don't be embarrassed to show your inner confidence. Okay, so right now we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works, and we're still getting there. Should we jump?
Hey guys, so we made it to Bath and Body Works.
And I'm gonna get this thing here. Well, I'm not getting it. Mom getting it for me.
It looks so ugly.
Looks like what? And it looks so emo, man.
I look emo. Look, my eyes look dark.
Okay.
Okay, we'll vlog when we go to the next store.
Come here. This is the outfit of the day. Okay, so I have this shirt on. I don't know where it's from. And then these sandals. And then
I'll hold it. Okay, so this shirt is from Forever 21, and I don't know what these pants are, and then my shoes are from H&M.
yeah. Okay. So Okay. So we're in from 21 now. Yes. And we're just looking and looking. Hold it then. I'm losing my voice. I will buy some.
Okay, so
your whole fit is yourself.
it's waiting for me to buy it.
So Alex is gonna buy these.
Yeah, with these socks. Hold on. Let's show them the whole fit.
Yes.
So with these socks, they're kind of like yellowish, but it's
glasses.
Oh, they don't have
Oh, you just buy these.
Oh yeah, you
So
can
you just buy this?
No, you buy that. I bought the bright green.
So
And then we
buy
can
that, and then when we 20,
yeah. So be ready for the Instagram pics.
I was gonna get this.
Yeah. And then we're gonna like.
And then
so,
we're gonna get this skirt. And we're gonna get extra large in it.
So we're gonna put this on my left leg. My left.
Okay. One is mine, one is yours. What? What? Say it. Say it. It's obviously something. Hurry up.
I know.
Just say it. Or for the clever ones, be pride.
Just kidding. That's me.
Why is that mean?
We're gonna get that out.
You should be proud.
I'm editing a video. Okay.
Okay. No, because you put the dumb stuff
Okay.
in that big ugly picture. I don't know why you put that in, dude. That's so ugly. That was so ugly, dude.
Oh my god.
I was so mad. I remember we're heck
And I was so mad when you freaking put like half of the freaking videos on me.
Dude, it was funny.
Okay, so bye. Hey guys, so we're in Hollister right now.
Dude. Like, we don't care.
Period. Let's do it right here. Cause look at the great lad.
No, it looks red. Ugly. So right now, I don't know the name of the store.
Why did you put it that way?
No, because I wanted them to see my outfit.
Okay, sorry about that.
So now we're just leaving. Leaving that store.
Huh?
And I want to ride one of those so bad, but
One of what? One of what?
those.
Oh,
Look, there's a squad.
yeah. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Do you want some?
No.
I want to put it on, but I do when I don't like
So
it.
yeah, we're just walking. I keep on flipping it. Oh, flip.
Don't flip it.
So, oh my god, everybody's looking. But that everybody's looking. But that's because like when everybody's
They're
looking,
famous.
yeah.
They're gonna make a face and they're gonna wish they
And
came
like,
to us.
oh my god, somebody already came up to us and asked us to take a picture. Like, we're famous. Oh my god, I said his name.
Who cares?
Oh my god, there's a guy. Go that way, go that way, go that way.
That's so gross.
Dude, I know.
That's your map.
Ew, no, dude, that's yours. The older one is yours.
I haven't.
No, the one with the skinny jeans is yours.
They all have skinny jeans. What are you talking
Dude, the
about?
one with the Louis Vuitton shoes.
Louis Vuitton?
I mean shoes.
Gucci?
No, Louis Vuitton pants. Those pants, the skinny ones.
Dude, that was yours.
No, that was yours, dude.
That was yours.
No, that was yours. Okay, so we'll get back to you when we go into another store. So these guys are following us, and it's like really annoying. Oh, yeah, they're right there. There were the guys.
It's him now.
Those are the guys. No, I'm kidding. I want them to come to me so I can
It's
be
in your
like,
car, it's like they're coming.
no, so I can, so I can be like, I'm sure. So I can be like, they'll be okay. But they'll be looking at us. But I want them to come so I can be like, I'm showing this to the cops. I'll be like, I'm a FaceTime with the police. Oh, heck no, we have to hide.
So bad.
Oh no, they're leaving. Who?
The boy looks bomb.
He kind of does, but he kind of doesn't. Like, this is.
embarrassing.
Oh, fuck. Ah! They're right there. Oh, hell no. Look at that girl right there. with the crop top. Look at that girl. Oh, hell no.
You're not fixing my shoes.
Yo, why are they waiting for us? Okay, let's go this way, dude. I'm freaking scared. Okay, let's go past them then. Look.
Do you think we're not gonna go? I wish I could look at every dude to figure that freaking go too. Is the police on the way? The police?
No, the police with the F. The
We're going
police.
to see.
No, we're going past them, like you said.
What are you freaking looking at?
I
Like,
know.
oh my god. Damn. I'm just saying, I didn't
Freaking catch a case, dude. My girl's like, shut up. Oh, fuck, no, behind us. Dude, I got scared. What are they going to do, dude? What if they freaking... Girls, the
hit
mouth...
them in their balls. Okay, so we got honey bear. What'd you get?
horchata. No, mocha.
Mocha.
With extra boba.
And then I got horchata. I hate that.
And I hate horchata. It's freaking disgusting. With a D. Disgusting.
It's bomb. They do with eyes. Oh my god. Okay,
Huh?
so we'll get back to you guys. when we're
Hashtag
drinking.
cook.
Okay, so now we're sitting down and do nothing. I think we're gonna go eat after. Hopefully. Okay guys, so just left the mall. You can't even see her. But we just left the mall and then we're gonna go eat at
Sina, where are you going?
Right now.
Sina? We're at Tico's Tacos. And yeah, and then we're gonna go to my house and then we're gonna do our Q&A. So what's the vlog first or the Q&A? The Q&A, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like, should we post the vlog first or the Q&A?
The vlog first.
The vlog first?
Okay, the Q&A so we can do like.
Yeah, okay. So be okay, what the heck?
Yeah, and like be ready for like a little something again because it's Tuesday.
And
Yeah.
so we're back and we're at Tico's Tacos. And I got one enchilada with rice and beans. I think I got beans. Then what'd you get?
And I got tacos. Can I set that?
And then I got a jarrito lime.
And I got water.
And with the freaking taco.
So we're gonna do when we get our food, we're gonna do a
little mukbang. So you said you could like put the thing right here.
Okay. But like we need something. Okay, well we can have our water. Like, what if
Oh my god, I freaking changed.
okay, but you don't have to sit here now.
I'm just kidding. You're not funny. Yeah, wait. Don't hit me. Okay,
I'll hold it.
we're gonna like we'll just like put the soda right there
Yeah, like we'll hold it like right here.
or your water.
Yeah. Screenshot for your favorite YouTubers.
We're gonna get to each other. Here we go. Put your cameraman, guys.
Shut up.
You don't like how you always tell me that. Cameraman.
So yeah.
Okay, we'll vlog when like we get our
food.
food. This is what it looks like.
Oh, this is good.
Fun.
Oh my god. Been here before?
Let's get a video of our first sight, Anna. Okay?
Huh?
We jumped somebody.
What?
We jumped somebody.
Yeah, she did. Yeah, I'll be kicked for Girl, I got that girl.
She dragged her, like, dragged her.
Is that your sister by your channel? Yeah. Probably Giselle said that in the video. I know. I wanted to beep it out, but I didn't know how to. It was funny. And Nimri's like, no, because we don't care.
We don't care.
I've never actually seen it.
Who cares you did?
Ew, why are you laughing? Because it was like, who cares if she's seen it?
Okay, but after she watches it, but who cares?
I don't want you to make it up.
Right, I'm doing mukbang. First bite of the day.
Hopefully Shane Dawson sees this.
Shane Dawson?
Yeah. And Jeffree Star.
Isn't Shane Dawson? Oh, that one guy that
I know, I'm kind of embarrassed.
I don't like eating on camera. I mean, I do.
Napkin. No, I don't need napkin. Alright, give me napkin.
You guys want to stop it?
No.
Whenever you guys just bite, just edit that part out.
That's too much editing.
We're not pros yet, like you.
You don't need to see there.
She is a pro. She is a pro.
57?
What?
I hate when I just try to freaking read, like, just half read it and it opens the freaking whole chat, dude.
Oh, you know what?
Oh.
No, I don't like that. Well, here's chicken and brown.
Chicken is nasty.
I don't care.
Dude, I wanted to put that part in the video with Giselle when I zoomed into her face.
I don't know how to do that.
In the corner, there's like a little boom button.
You're mad. Bruh, finally freaking.
No, remember? You want to try work. Remember you went to my work.
Okay,
Let's talk about something.
Okay, oh my god. Let's talk about.
Okay, but tell me why this freaking rice is like the one from school.
You didn't like it?
The beans are kind of nasty.
I like the beans.
I like the rice.
They're mixed? What are you talking about?
Let's talk about the time that. Oh, let's talk about Miss Garcia's class. Oh my god.
Who had it with us? Okay.
Those Mr. Oh, McLean? Oh my
Who
god.
had
She
Everardo?
hated me.
Who else? Anthony. Fake. We had.
Stop the video though.
I'm not, okay. Who else was in our class?
Use this.
Who else was in our class?
Alejandra,
I don't like her.
Everardo.
Eduardo, oh, Jacob. Oh, that was in 6th grade though. Jacob might have been.
Then we had Miss Garcia 2 times.
What's her?
Who else?
Yeah, Felipe. Well, you didn't beat him up, but. Remember when
Dude,
you
I
said-
never fought him.
No, I know.
I never.
Oh, Felipe! Felipe!
Ashley legs.
Bro, fire with
Bro,
them.
you should have freaking seen that dude.
I didn't fight him. Dude, he's so
he got
big.
Demery's hair.
Ah,
and
my
then,
earring.
and Demery socked him. Oh my god. It was the most funniest thing ever, dude.
Did anyone see?
Yeah, everybody in the was like, get over here right now.
What did everyone say?
No one said anything. They were wanting to laugh.
Was he pulled your head and you just punched him?
Because he hit Anna.
I know. That's such testicles.
Look at the time with Allison. Okay, so this is what happened.
Okay,
Okay.
but
You
this is
guys
my
can't
story.
say
Okay,
her
let her,
name.
let her, yeah.
This is my
Who cares?
story.
What's she gonna do?
So, in 7th grade, yeah, 7th, we had this teacher named Nazarenko. and everybody hit, dude, but like, wait,
And you know what's funny?
wait,
He
hold on.
would teach like if people were listening,
No,
but
no,
no.
Grandma's not gonna like them.
Nope, I tried to back you up.
Yeah. And okay, and so I tried to I didn't like try to directly throw it at Nazarenko, but like I just tried to like throw it at I just tried to make a bucket out of the freaking
Shout out to the
garbage.
trash.
Yeah. And then Allison was in the way, and it actually it accidentally skinned her face, and then she got up, and she was like, "Why the hell did you do it?"
With her shiny Air Forces. With her makeup.
You know, and then she found something on the floor, and then she started throwing it to me, and then this one Dem Down comes in,
Stop.
and she's like, she gets up, she goes like, get off of her.
No, I tried to, but freaking Jimmy was not blocking me. Like, dude, get
Yeah.
away
And
from me.
then I pushed her, and then
I'm watching soccer.
but if someone did that to me again, we would have problems, and we would fight right then and there.
Wait, how about this happened about the time with when we threw the backwards in the trash.
And then they got all mad, bro. Dude, they freaking called them.
Okay. So there's a boy.
If you guys ever do story time, make fake name, okay?
No, I don't care. Okay, the
Wait,
Deva
hold on.
the Deva brothers.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, but
cringe.
oh, now you made me forget what I was gonna say.
Let me say it. So one day we got water and we threw it at them, on accident. We didn't mean to. And then
Bro, remember they freaking threw my computer in the garbage?
they threw her freaking computer in the freaking garbage. Like, how childish, dude. So we want to be like petty back. So we got the backpacks and we threw them in the trash.
With milk,
Yeah.
ketchup.
And they knew we did something. 'Cause, like, they were all looking at us. And we kind of felt bad for like Damien, but not Andrew because we don't care. And it was so funny. And
I
like,
remember when they would always
and,
put his backpack in the trash.
and we carried our backpack for like the rest of the month because like we did not want it to get back to us. And we wanted to unzip it and pour everything.
But like, that was too mean.
Yeah.
But then we regret it and we should have.
And then remember we
Cried,
did.
you should just
Remember
done
we did.
it.
Do you take Pablo's backpack before?
Who?
Pablo's.
Oh yeah, when I was running day home.
And he caught you. Hey.
Oh my god, it was also funny.
I was like, oh, okay. And his comments like cock-a-doodle-doo. And I said, why am I so loud? And like, it was like a day, like a rainy day home, and
I mean, remember we're walking around,
and we want to like
and then
befriend
like
you,
and then
So-
Pablo and all of them were in the.
and their
gym.
and their gang, like they were in the gym, so we just got them. And we started running with
They were
them.
being such baddies.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, come about the story. Wait, told Miss Garcia your dog died.
Oh yeah, dude. When I made a
Her
whole
dog
song,
died.
when I made a whole song about
Yeah.
it,
Sing the song to them.
I don't remember the song. Oh my god, I'm so full.
Okay. She missed like a day of school, and then Miss Garcia asked her why she missed.
Yeah, because Miss Garcia cared for me.
Yeah. And what's it called? Her dog died.
Say hi, Gina.
Ew, my
Hi.
My arm's so long.
Your arm?
Yeah, my arms.
No. Try it?
Yeah.
Why try it?
I don't know. It says hot. I can do that.
And then I was like, oh yeah, my dog died.
Yeah, and she made a whole song. She got on her knees and was praying to it and everything. And Everardo knows. Because he was in there with us, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And he was singing the song with you. She was singing along with her.
Yeah, because Everardo cared about my dog too.
Yeah. It was the cutest day ever. And then the funeral was so cute.
Yeah.
Well, it's just in pictures.
It was so sad because I had to see him go under the ground.
We're interested in pictures if it, like it's still there, you know?
Yeah. Of course I still have the picture because that was my favorite dog.
Oh yeah. We're unbury it in the backyard. Cause they buried it in the backyard. And there
So it
was
can always be with us in spirit.
what did they do?
It's one of my beans. Dude, Emery.
She like freaking got me. Because you don't even eat all that time.
I'm so embarrassed.
My damn C is big too.
I have what?
Big teeth.
I know I do.
Remember when you had a big old gap?
Who said
I remember like I had a big old freaking.
Okay, what else? What else stories?
What else?
They have so
many.
much,
There's
dude.
so much. Like,
Oh,
okay.
the time we first met and Emery was looking at
Dude,
me.
no, I was okay. This is the story. This is my perspective. Okay.
No, you have to do that in your guys' Q&A.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, what do you mean?
Ow. Okay, so
Okay.
Dang, girl, you couldn't stop eating?
Because she's a bitch. So she gave me some. So it's mine. Okay. So next story. What's in the story?
I don't know if she's selling them yet,
Dude, you're so mean to Miss Garcia.
I know, but dude, she always used to make me freaking call my mom, dude.
And when we would, remember Adam was crying because he made her go.
He was crying? Who cries,
Because
bro?
he was scared. Okay.
Okay, so
You cry, baby.
like our little thing was like, okay, when Srina got detention, we all had to get detention. Like when one of us got detention, we all like, had to get it.
What if you
Like,
didn't get it one day?
Then we just wouldn't get it. But And no, we would. Serena was. Don't do that, man.
Are you making a video?
Yes.
On YouTube?
Mhm. Okay.
You
So.
guys made an intro? Yeah, huh?
Hi, you guys.
Okay, so anyways, we
You like counting?
Stop! Stop!
bro, get out of here. Wait, what were you saying again? Oh, we were like so mean to her.
Oh my gosh. They're so funny.
Get out of here.
That's like vlog.
So we would be late to her class all the time, huh? To get detention. Bro, get your big old heads out of here.
It's in my eye.
Rudy's mom.
I'm so
Mom.
angry.
God, dude.
Bye
You're so
bye,
annoying.
Weirdos.
You're a weirdo. What the heck? Yeah. What else do we have?
When we had the test, we used to cheat.
The what?
Under our leg.
My legs was like. What the heck is easy though? Or wouldn't it be they put it right there, like go like that, and like I did.
This is not a community.
Like-
chat.
Like I would just like start shaking.
And then
And I had like a bean right here stuck in my.
and when she would come next to us, I'd be like,
I know, they
I
made it
was
all
mad.
obvious.
Do you never have like slime? Or were you talking about Garcia McLean? I know never had like slime or like
my God.
something. Like she would like know. Like
no,
she
we
would
would
look
she
under
really
the
catch
desk.
them like she would, but I got it.
She hated me. Hated me.
Right.
She would always call my dad.
She hated us and
So
Eduardo.
I don't know why.
And Victor for sure.
Yeah, she told us that her 7th period was her worst. You had 7th period, huh?
What did we ditch?
We never did.
No, like they didn't like everyone.
Oh, yeah,
and
everyone
everyone wanted to
told.
do it just because they. Yeah, and Naya was like, did they ditch again? Yeah.
Yeah, but I never did.
I'll be scared too. They call your parents.
And like all they did was freaking go
And
back.
then Jacob, even after Jacob came back, oh, Mr.
And then he's all serious, like, oh, I was in the office.
No, say I was in Mr. Alicia's class.
Oh yeah.
And
Who was it?
then-
Who was it? Oh, when they called them on the speaker in
Yeah.
the whole, it was like,
And I think everyone tried the same thing as Jacob too. I don't know, I don't remember.
bro.
Oh yeah, those so.
But yeah.
Guys, the video's gonna be so long.
I know. But I thought we can cut.
But we edit it.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Okay, let's make a deal.
A what?
A deal, like you edit this vlog, or like which vlog do you want to edit?
This one. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you finished?
Um.
No, finish. Wait,
Stop! I'm a donut.
Hey, get out of here, dude.
you don't have to finish it.
Okay. Dude.
You're so awkward. Just leave her alone. I would be like, dude.
I'm never coming to your parents again, Jeremy. Never coming to your family again.
I'm like, dude, that's hella weird.
Wait, my friend was.
So we're gonna end the vlog here, and then we'll get you guys back.
We'll end the vlog when we go in the car or when we go to Demer's house.
Okay.